In this video, I'll show you how to get the USDC Fantom address on Trust Wallet. And share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if someone tells you to send him or her a USDC Fantom wallet address, what we're going to do right now, over to your Trust Wallet, right? Once you have opened it, click on the manage to come on here, type in USDC, right? So you want to start the USDC Fantom, right? So you're gonna display a lot of options here. What's gonna come on here? You're gonna see the Fantom. Yeah, this is it. Click on the Fantom. Yeah, so it has opened up. So these are the whole USDC we have here on Trust Wallet. So you need the USDC Fantom, right? So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna scroll down gradually. I'll show you the one that is the USDC Fantom, right? Exactly. So this is it. This is the USDC coin. This is the USDC Fantom. I'm gonna turn it on. So if someone tells you to send him or her a USDC Fantom wallet address, this is what I'm going to send the person, right? If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm going to see you all in the very next.